Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of class 2 computer, and we were learning input and output devices. So we will recapitulate, we will revise what we have learned in our last video, and you can see we had learnt about computer, why it is called electronic device, for what computer is used, for like mathematical operations, logical operation, graphical operation it is used. Then we had learned some uses of computer, where computer is used, like in education field, like in school, for businesses, offices, in hospitals, in banks, in government offices, at your home, marketing places, and for student personal use also. Then we had seen on that day, we had discussed about body parts, like we have a body parts like hand, our cheeks, eyes, ears, legs, all those body parts. Likewise, our computer also have some parts, and which are like printer, speaker, monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and all those parts are divided into two categories, like input devices, output devices. And on that day we had seen one IPO cycle also, that is input, processing, and output cycle. Like first we'll take some eggs, then we will fry it. Egg frying also on that day we had learned, and likewise we had learned about how to make orange juice, or how to make a tea, or make a lemon juice. Then on that we had seen how computer follows IPO cycle, that is input, process, output cycle. Now input means what? Whatever the data or instruction we give to computer, we input into CPU, and when CPU processes and gives you output. Then we had learned some input devices, like we had learned about keyboard, like which is used to enter numbers and words. Then we had used learnt about mouse, which is used to draw pictures, select object, or you can draw by click, open, and all those many operations are there. We had discussed about buttons. How many buttons are there? 3 buttons are there to keyboard. Then we had learnt joystick for gaming. Then we had learnt microphone, which is used for singing or recording your audios. Then we had learnt web camera, which is used to capture live photos and videos, and it is nowadays also used for video calling and chatting. And then we had discussed about DMARC scanner, that is used to scan your data or scan your images into digital format. So the next part of your computer system's IPO cycle is your processing device. So processing device, it is also known as CPU. CPU stands for central processing unit. What it stands for? Central processing unit. And CPU works on the data, whatever the data we are giving to your computer. You can see a CPU is there on the right side of your screen, but when you enter data or instruction using keyboard or a mouse, using camera or all that, those instruction will be sent to your CPU, and this CPU works as a brain of your computer. It will process all that data, and that data it will give you to your output devices. Okay, so this is called processing. When CPU works on the data according to the instruction given by you or by using input devices, that is called processing. जब हम हमारे कीबोर्ड या माउस से सीपीयू को बोलेंगे ना, अच्छा ऐसा करना है, if we will type your name, तो name should be given on, should be shown on your display, that is monitor. आपका नाम आप जब टाइप करते हो तो सेम नाम आपको कहाँ दिखना चाहिए? मॉनिटर में. या फिर आप जब कलर करते हो तो सेम कलर कहाँ पे दिखना चाहिए? आपके इमेज में. तो ये कैसे किया जाता है? यूजिंग द इंस्ट्रक्शन. और जो रिजल्ट आता है, जो वट एवर द रिजल्ट यू विल बी गेटिंग, दैट विल बी योर output, and which will be sent to your output devices. Now what are output devices? Now Output devices are the devices which are used to receive and display output after processing. जब आपका सीपीयू उसके ऊपर प्रोसेस करेगा, तो जब प्रोसेसिंग होने बाद जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा आपको, सो रिजल्ट कैसे शो होगा, कहां से मिलेगा, यूजिंग output devices. So some output devices are there like speaker, like monitor, some headphones, plotter, projector, printer, many are there. Okay, we will see one by one in details now. Now this is a monitor, and monitor is used to display what you type or draw or see or play on your screen. Like if you are drawing something in your tux paint, that will be shown on your screen. अगर आप कुछ टाइप कर रहे हो, वो कहाँ दिखेगा आपको, मॉनिटर पे. आप अगर कुछ प्ले कर रहे हो, यानी कि कुछ मूवीज वगैरह प्ले कर रहे हो, तो वो कहाँ पे दिखेगा आपको, कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे मतलब आपके मॉनिटर के अंदर आपको दिखेगा. और ये मॉनिटर काम क्या करता है, जो भी आप देख रहे हो वो कहाँ पे देखते हो आप, मॉनिटर. कीबोर्ड में कुछ दिखता है नहीं, कुछ माउस में दिखता है नहीं, तो वो कहाँ पे दिखेगा आपके इस बड़े से स्क्रीन वाले मॉनिटर में. तो ये है आपका मॉनिटर. सो मॉनिटर इज यूज्ड टू डिस्प्ले व्हाट यू टाइप और ड्रॉ ऑन यूर स्क्रीन. मीन्स जब आप टाइप करते हो तो वो टाइप वाला कहाँ दिखेगा आपके मॉनिटर में. जब आप कुछ ड्रॉ करोगे तो कहाँ पे आप देख पाओगे, यू विल बी सीइंग on that, or you can see on that the drawing that you are doing will be seen on your monitor. Got it? Next one, next output device is a printer. Now आपने देखा होगा, आप कुछ प्रिंट आउट्स, आपको कुछ सर्कुलर हो या फिर कुछ नोटिस हो या फिर कुछ फीस रिसिप्ट हो, आपको मिलती है ना, पेपर पे प्रिंट करके दिया जाता है. सो प्रिंटर इज यूज्ड टू प्रिंट वॉट एवर यू टाइप और ड्रॉ ऑन ए कंप्यूटर. जो आप टाइप करते हो, जो आप ड्रॉ करते हो, वो सब चीजें यू कैन टेक प्रिंट ऑफ दैट. प्रिंट वो कलर प्रिंट हो या चाहे ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट प्रिंट हो, जो भी आप टाइपिंग करोगे एंड वो जो भी होगा आपको, वो वहां से आप टाइप कर सकते हो. और प्रिंटर अलग अलग साइज के होते हैं, अलग अलग शेप के होते हैं, अलग अलग वेरिएंट्स भी होते हैं. मतलब कुछ कलर प्रिंट्स देते हैं, जो भी लाइक फोटो एल्बम यू माइट हैव सीन. आपके घर में फोटो एल्बम होगा ना, आपके बर्थडे वाला, और वो तो वो फोटो एल्बम अलग है. या फिर कुछ नोट्स, या फिर कुछ जो भी सर्कुलर्स, नोट्स, फीस के जो भी रिसिप्ट हो गए, ये ब्लैक एंड वाइट में होते हैं. कुछ ब्राउचर हो गए, ओके, ब्रोशर, या फिर कुछ पैम्पलेट्स जो कलर प्रिंट्स में होते हैं, वो भी प्रिंटर्स में प्रिंट किए जाते हैं. या फिर आपका न्यूज़पेपर, दैट इज ऑल्सो printed using a big printer. So this is your printer, and which is printing data or which is printing the pages, जो आपको बाद में आपके यूज के लिए काम आ जाएगा. तो ये आपका क्या है, प्रिंटर है. और आप उसको कब यूज करोगे, जब आपको कुछ प्रिंट करना हो. समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, सो लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नाउ this is a favorite part of everyone, okay, because we love to play music and listen music. हम क्या करते हैं, जो म्यूजिक प्ले होता है तो हम गाने सुनते हैं, we just dance on that songs and all that. So that output हम कहाँ से मिलता है, हमें songs का output कहाँ से मिलता है, so using sound. So that sounds or a speaker plays sounds which are processed by your CPU. जो भी कुछ साउंड्स आपके सीपीयू में सेव होंगे, वो कहाँ से प्ले हो जाएंगे, यूजिंग योर स्पीकर और योर साउंड. सो कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर प्लेइंग योर गेम्स ऑल्सो. और जब आप मूवी देखोगे तो सेम विल बी प्लेइंग यूजिंग योर साउंड. सो आवाज बाहर कहाँ से आएगी, यहाँ से, मतलब आपके साउंड से आवाज बाहर आएगी. ओके, सो स्पीकर इज ऑल्सो आउटपुट डिवाइस. Now next one is a headphone. Right now I'm wearing one headphone also. Okay, so headphone can be like this, which is connected to a computer, or like this, which can be connected to your phone also, phone, tablet, or any other. So what is the function of this headphone? So using headphones you can listen music, okay, you can chat, कुछ बात करनी हो तो इसको जो माइक्रोफोन है, दिस माइक्रोफोन और दिस माइक्रोफोन कैन बी यूज्ड टू give input, that is the input device microphone. But this headphone is used to listen music or play sounds without disturbing others. अगर हम स्पीकर पे बड़े बड़े से आवाज करके गाने लगाएंगे तो that is not good. So this headphone or this headphone is used to listen music without disturbing others, क्योंकि किसी और को पता नहीं चलेगा what song you are playing. Got it? Okay. So this was about some input devices, output devices, and processing unit. So which are the input devices? Keyboard, then mouse, then scanner, then which input device we have learned? Scanner also, and web camera, that is also input devices. Then we have learned a processing unit, which is your CPU, and then we had learned some output devices. First one was a monitor, second one was a printer, third one was your which one, speaker, then headphones, and other devices are also there like projector. You can see projector is there now in your classroom, projector is there, that is also your output devices. So that's it for this part of the video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like that video, please read the lesson also. Okay, so till then, take care, bye bye, thank you.